So here I'm discuss topic about that how to create a free HTML website using Blogger. So first I'm logging my Gmail. If you're creating Blogger website, the option call is you can using for two URLs. One is called blogger.com or else we can using for blogspot.com. It's the same like WordPress, but WordPress will be only for one URL. Here we can log in with the two URLs. Once sign in with your Gmail account, WordPress support by the three accounts: Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, but Blogger support by only for Gmail. The reason is called this is one of the product from your Google product that is called Blogger. Once log in your account, each blogger login we can create n number of websites, same like WordPress. That will be here. See this one. We can make the n number of site. If you create new site, the option call is new blog. In this WordPress add new site, here will be called add blog. Why? Because it's a blogger. So they're showing for add blog. So when click for blog, first is asking for title. Second, they asking for your domain with the domain extension. Next, they asking for theme selection. Next, they asking for theme selection. In this theme selection, we have totally 11 themes are there. Totally 11 themes are there. Totally 11 themes are there. In this 11 themes, we can select only for 6 themes. Your first time creating site, you're selecting only for 6 themes, except Contempo, Soho, Emporio, Notable, and Dynamic View. Your first time create this site, you're confused for these 5 themes. So first you can learn by 6 themes, you can learn by remaining 5 themes. The remaining 6 themes, simple, picture, awesome, watermark, internal, and travel. Anything you can select, start your thing. You can go for basic theme, that is called simple. So you can go for watermark theme, that is called travel. So each theme separate options, but options are same, just a color change and background change. Some different will be there by in this one. Some will be white, some will be black, some will be white and colors of silver. Some will be transparent with the white background. Here will be totally transparent images. So these are the themes acceptance. So here I'm selecting here. I'm selecting for YouTube training tutorial. I'm selecting domain name is called YouTube training. So what happened? The domain is already selected. If you go free site or premium site, the domain name will be selected only for one time. Suppose the site is working or not, how to check? Here are the question. Simple, copy this URL. Exactly 2 months back, Blogger support by only for .in. So we are in India, they support by in. So the updating for totally .in will be removed. The updating for .com. When updating for Google for SSL secure. Is it clear? Secure layer when you will update, the updating for .in to .com. They're going to complete for commercial. So blog has been removed, but still the name will be not accepted. So I can select for done. So the domain name we can select only for 8 to 13 characters. I'm selecting for in this characters. First is my title. Second, I'm writing for my YouTube training, India. India, I'm writing for shortcut IND. So .blogspot.com. Why? Because YouTube and training, we can't writing for shortcut. So India, we're writing for shortcut. So your domain only promoted by Hyderabad. We're writing for HYD. That's called Hyderabad. So once select by your title and domain with the domain extension. So how many themes we have? Total 11. In this one, I'm selecting which theme? Travel. Click for create a blog. Here is a question. Suppose my theme was selected. Can I change theme after 2 months? After 1 day? You can change theme after second also. Suppose you select one theme is not look and friendly. You can change theme after second. You can change n number of times. No issues. The theme once you selected, next theme it is set by n number of. But here only one problem is called. Here only using for 11 themes. If you select any other themes, we can go option call is build customize website. Build customize website. That is called we can go to for free blogger themes. When you're searching for free blogger themes, they are providing for your free blogger themes. So that is called, you can select here. This free blogger support only for up to 60%. If you go complete full version, you can go for paid. This is all free themes. You can use up to 60%. Same like making a site. I'll show you site. How to making a this kind of site. This is same like real-time website. The same like real-time website. In a free themes and the premium themes, what are different? In a free themes, we can't create this subdomains. We can't create the 11 themes. We can't create the subdomains. They create only for main menus. Submenus we can't create. So that is called we can go for these themes. This is only for customized blogger. So this also we discuss one particular class. But right now we discuss only for these 11 themes how to build a site. First we know understanding by how to build a site. So in this I'm searching for travel, create blog. So your site will be ready. Click for view blog. This is your domain. It will be blogspot.com is your domain extension. Now here, this total your transparent website. So if you change any kind of themes, any kind of options, the use option call is here. Theme changes. Here look. See, each theme multiple colors. See here. Each theme minimum start by 1 to 3 or 1 to 5, 1 to 4, 1 to 7, 1 to 10 also some themes will be there. See this one. If you go customize, you can go for this option. This is also same. Just select your theme. I'm already discussed. 60% is the free. Remaining 40% is the paid. So coming to this one here, they call click for start now. Or see this one. Live preview, buy and download. Download is 60%, buy is 100%. Live preview for check the site. It will be like this. In this, some famous themes are there for making a site. Same like your premium site design. This is only possible by Blogger. It is not possible by the WordPress. So that is called the Blogger support by the AdSense, business promotion, video marketing, affiliate marketing, mobile apps promotion. So this one. Is it clear? So this is called setup your HTML site using Blogger website.